What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, trying out different ways to get cash online. Cointiply is a Bitcoin faucet that's giving away free Satoshis on an hourly basis. Earnings are expressed in the form of coins, which is just the US dollar value multiplied by 10,000. The faucet works as a random number generator, with prizes ranging from around 5 Satoshis up to 70 Satoshis. You might even win the jackpot.
It's unlikely.
There are also pay-to-click adverts, but the amount you get is too low to be worth it. It's awkward having no indication of when you viewed the advert for enough time, so you have to check back on the main page, which pauses the timer.
How long has it been?
6 seconds.
Do we have to start over?
Hell no.
They have all the usual surveys and offers, but I don't bother with this since I can do the same thing elsewhere for real money. The withdrawal limit is $5 worth of Bitcoin, but if you're willing to accept Doge, Litecoin or Dash, then the limit is $3. I'm going to go ahead and see if the site will really pay $5 to my Bitcoin wallet.
Surprise!
It took them just a few hours to process the payment. If you want to have some cryptocurrency in your portfolio without the risk of investing, then Cointiply may be a good option for you.
We're on the go. Subway is a good option. Yeah. It's like exciting.
Check out the referral link in the description if you're interested, and I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.